In a small village, there lived a very lazy boy. He always delayed doing important tasks, and because of this, he fell behind in his studies and other aspects of life. His family and teachers repeatedly advised him to value his time, but he did not listen. He had no concern for his future and wasted his time on unimportant things. One day, a wise man came to the village. He was famous for his wisdom and knowledge. Many people wanted to meet him and learn from him. The boy also went to meet the wise man, hoping that he might give him some tips to get ahead of his friends. When it was his turn, he approached the wise man and said, "Please help me. I feel like a failure in my life. I am behind my friends and classmates in every field. I want to get ahead and be the best. Please tell me how I can do this." The wise man looked at the boy with a kind expression and said, "My child, you are in trouble because you do not value your time. You always delay tasks and waste your precious moments on useless things. Let me tell you a story to help you understand the value of time." The boy listened carefully as the wise man began the story. Once there was a king who was very kind and generous. He loved his people and always helped them. One day, he met an old friend who had studied with him in school. This friend was poor and had no job, money, or respect. He always complained about his luck and blamed others for his problems. The king recognized his friend and felt sorry for him. He asked about his life and troubles. The friend sadly replied, "O king, I don't understand why everyone says I can't do anything. Whenever I apply for a job, they refuse me. My enemies have told everyone that I never work on time. I don't know what to do." The king said, "Let's make a deal. Before sunset, you can take as much gold and jewels from my treasury as you can carry." The friend was very happy and thanked the king. He hurried home and told his wife the good news. She was also excited and told him to go and get the gold and jewels. The friend said, "I can't go now. I'm hungry. I need to eat first." His wife quickly prepared food and he ate it comfortably, thinking he had plenty of time to get the treasure. After finishing his meal, he felt sleepy and said, "I'll take a nap and go to get the treasure later." He went to bed and closed his eyes, intending to sleep for a short while, but he ended up sleeping for 2 hours. When he woke up, it was already afternoon. He picked up some sacks and headed toward the king's treasury. The sun was shining brightly, and he felt hot. He thought, "I'll rest a bit under this tree and then continue." He sat under the tree where there was a gentle breeze and pleasant weather. As soon as he sat down, he fell asleep again and slept for another 4 hours. When he woke up, it was evening and the sun was setting. He quickly got up and ran towards the palace, but it was too late. The sun had set and the palace gates were closed. The lazy man stood there disappointed. He had missed his chance because he did not value his time. The wise man finished the story and looked at the boy. The boy was silent, having understood his mistake. He felt ashamed and thanked the wise man. He promised to change his ways and realize that time is precious and should not be wasted. He went home and started working hard towards his goals. He stopped procrastinating and became more productive. He gained respect and happiness from his friends and family. In our lives, time is as valuable as gold. It is the most precious thing we have. We have only a limited time in life, and we should use it wisely and productively. We should not waste our time on unimportant things, but focus on what matters. We should not procrastinate, but complete our tasks on time and well. There's a famous saying, if you value your time, time will value you. But if you waste your time, time will ruin your life. We can achieve anything if we use our time wisely. But if we waste our time, we will miss our opportunities and later regret it. A traveler understands the value of a minute when he misses his train by a minute, and a student understands the value of a year when he fails his annual exam. Those who value their time can achieve anything in life, while those who do not will fail. If you want to achieve something in your life, never be lazy or procrastinate, or you will end up regretting it, like the lazy man who could not reach the palace before sunset. So, always use your time wisely, enjoy small moments with your family and friends, and you will achieve your dreams and goals and live a fulfilling life. How did you like this story? Please share in the comments and share with your friends. Thank you.